So I'm just like, after I was using the polisher, I was comparing how my top teeth felt with my bottom teeth, and now I want to use it on my bottom teeth. As I had stated earlier after I got done with the testing that I'm afraid that it feels cleaner than when I clean people's teeth. I was very impressed. My biggest concern going into it is because it's a strong tool, was how that was gonna feel. It was really smooth. It didn't flick things everywhere, which is another thing I was thinking is how am I gonna keep this clean? So yeah, overall, I'm very impressed with the use of it, and it makes me wanna finish the rest of my teeth now. Oh, there's always room for improvement and things, so I gotta do 4.5. Well, if they're looking for something to clean more or better, really, the polisher is a great option. Don't change out your toothbrush though. So if you want to go to the next level, really, and clean, if you want to go the next level in getting your teeth whitened, this is an incredible product to add to your bathroom. My name is Chelsea Veal. I'm a registered dental hygienist in the state of Texas and California.